What's up, tech fans, and welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse. We're kicking off with a rapid-fire look at the hottest news shaping the future of innovation. Get ready for mind-blowing breakthroughs and game-changing strategies that are redefining industries. First up, we're diving deep into the high-stakes world of quantum computing, where NVIDIA's massive investment in Quantinuum is sending ripples through the market and putting pressure on rivals like D-Wave stock. Is this a new era for quantum, or just a shakeup? We've got the inside scoop. Then, hold on to your hats, because the AI chip demand is so intense. Even NVIDIA itself is striking a massive $1.5 billion deal to lease back GPUs from Lambda. This move highlights the critical supply constraints and NVIDIA's strategic play to secure capacity, all while boosting Lambda's profile for their own IPO ambitions. And get this, while everyone's talking NVIDIA, we're uncovering a quiet giant that's been outperforming the chip titan all year. Broadcom is making serious waves in the AI space with custom chips and networking solutions, posting stellar growth that's got investors buzzing. Could this be the next big AI play? Finally, the battle for AI supremacy heats up as AMD, OpenAI, and Broadcom unite in a powerful alliance to challenge NVIDIA's dominance. With new products launching and mass production on the horizon, is NVIDIA's stranglehold finally about to be broken? We're breaking down this incredible industry shakeup. Don't miss a single second of this tech revolution. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the Qualcomm Pulse community today. NVIDIA's billion-dollar quantum gambit, what it means for D-Wave stock. While D-Wave Quantum Inc. has seen an impressive year-to-date stock surge, recent market performance has investors on edge. Now, a significant development in the quantum computing landscape could shake things up even further. Chip giant NVIDIA has made a colossal investment, reportedly close to $1 billion, in Quantinuum, a joint venture between Honeywell and Cambridge Quantum. This strategic infusion of capital not only elevates Quantinuum to the top tier of the quantum industry, but also positions it as a formidable competitor. Quantinuum, a full-stack quantum computing firm, aims for broad commercial viability, and this partnership with NVIDIA, a leader in accelerated computing, is seen as a major catalyst. NVIDIA's involvement, spearheaded by CEO Jensen Huang, can sway market sentiment on quantum technology, making this move particularly noteworthy. While D-Wave and Quantinuum employ different technological approaches, D-Wave focusing on annealing and gate model quantum tech, and Quantinuum utilizing trap-ion hardware. The increased competition and NVIDIA's backing of a direct rival are factors D-Wave investors must watch closely. Quantinuum's valuation has now soared to $10 billion, with analysts viewing this move as a potential precursor to an IPO within the next 2 years. Despite the emergence of this powerful new competitor, D-Wave maintains strong analyst backing with a unanimous buy rating and a significant upside potential. The market is keenly observing how D-Wave's partnerships and its Advantage 2 system's growing popularity will stack up against Quantinuum's advancements. Will D-Wave's established presence and financial flexibility allow it to weather this new storm of competition? Stay tuned as we explore how this NVIDIA Quantinuum alliance could reshape the future of quantum computing and what it means for D-Wave's stock. NVIDIA leases back its own GPUs, a $1.5 billion deal revealing AI's hunger. The demand for AI compute power has reached such unprecedented levels that even NVIDIA, the king of AI chips, is resorting to leasing back its own hardware. This surprising $1.5 billion deal with Lambda, an AI infrastructure provider, underscores the critical supply constraints in the market. NVIDIA has signed a massive agreement to lease GPU servers from Lambda, a company it has also invested in. The deal includes a 4-year lease for 10,000 servers and an additional contract for 8,000 more, making NVIDIA Lambda's largest customer. This move is a clear indicator of the intense pressure NVIDIA is under to secure enough computing resources for its own cloud operations and to meet the insatiable demand for AI development. It also highlights NVIDIA's strategy to support and diversify AI compute supply by backing smaller providers like Lambda, thereby challenging the dominance of hyperscale cloud rivals such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. This arrangement significantly boosts Lambda's profile as it prepares for a potential IPO, with projections that its cloud revenues could surpass $1 billion by 2026. For NVIDIA, this is a strategic move to ensure capacity in a market where demand far outstrips supply, a situation reflected in their recent record revenues driven by AI hardware. Could this GPU leasing strategy become a new norm in the AI hardware landscape? Next, we uncover an AI stock that's been quietly outperforming even NVIDIA this year. The unsung AI champion, Broadcom's quiet dominance over NVIDIA. While NVIDIA garners most of the headlines in the AI stock frenzy, a different semiconductor powerhouse has been quietly delivering superior returns all year long. Broadcom is not just keeping pace, it's outpacing the chip giant in 2025. Broadcom, known for its diversified portfolio, including custom AI chips, advanced networking solutions, and enterprise software, has seen its shares climb significantly, outperforming NVIDIA's gains year-to-date. This outperformance is fueled by stellar quarterly results, with revenues soaring thanks to a massive surge in AI semiconductor sales. The company's custom AI accelerators, or XPUs, are a primary growth driver, accounting for a substantial portion of its AI revenue and securing major deals with hyperscale clients. Beyond custom chips, Broadcom's networking division is experiencing breathtaking growth as larger AI clusters demand robust infrastructure like its Tomahawk 6 switches and Jericho 4 fabric routers, especially with its focus on Open Ethernet standards. Adding to its strength, Broadcom's enterprise software segment, particularly its VMware Cloud Foundation platform, is establishing a sticky, recurring revenue stream, offering enterprises a hybrid cloud solution that balances control and AI capabilities. This robust performance is reflected in impressive profitability metrics, including significant increases in adjusted EBITDA and free cash flow, alongside a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders through dividends. But can Broadcom maintain this lead, and what are the long-term implications of its diversified strategy? We'll explore how this AI infrastructure player is positioning itself for sustained growth. The AI Alliance, AMD, OpenAI, and Broadcom unite to challenge NVIDIA's reign. The artificial intelligence landscape is witnessing a significant shift as major players band together in a concerted effort to break NVIDIA's formidable hold on the market. A new coalition is forming, signaling a potential redistribution of power in AI hardware and software. AMD is set to launch new products in 2025 and 2026, with a significant endorsement from OpenAI, which plans to adopt these advancements. Simultaneously, OpenAI and Broadcom are targeting mass production of their next-generation AI solutions in 2026. This coordinated push indicates a growing industry interest in diversifying AI chip solutions beyond NVIDIA's current dominance. The collaboration between these entities suggests a strategic move to foster competition and innovation, potentially leading to more choices and advanced technologies for the rapidly expanding AI sector. This united front from AMD, OpenAI, and Broadcom aims to introduce compelling alternatives and challenge the status quo, creating a more dynamic and competitive market for AI development. Can this powerful alliance truly disrupt NVIDIA's established dominance? Find out if these tech giants can collectively break NVIDIA's stranglehold on the AI revolution. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying tech update. We saw NVIDIA's massive investment in Quantinuum shake up the quantum world, NVIDIA striking a $1.5 billion deal to lease back GPUs from Lambda due to sky-high AI demand. Broadcom quietly outperforming NVIDIA all year with its AI innovations, and AMD, OpenAI, and Broadcom uniting to challenge NVIDIA's AI stranglehold. Don't miss out on the next wave of innovation. Smash that like button if you found this info valuable, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for your daily dose of tech news, and ring that notification bell so you're always the first to know. Plus, Let us know your thoughts on these stories in the comments below, and follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. See you next time.